I'm Jackie Dill with A Plus Heating and Air Conditioning. Our pledge to our customers is continuous, dependable service and honesty that you, our customer, can count on in your time of need. We have the knowledge and expertise in our industry that's second to none. So place your heating and air conditioning needs in our experienced hands and consider the job done, whether it be service, new installation, or replacement. You're in safe hands with A+, based in Greenville, serving upstate South Carolina. So call today at 864-246-4255.